Hello friends, welcome to Lucky Gate. This is a question from the subject programming asked in GATE 2017 for 2 marks. There are two functions are given. One is called foo, another is called bar. The question is invocation of foo of 3 and bar of 3 will result in. So options are given, both are returning 6 and option B given infinite loop and abnormal termination respectively, and option C given abnormal termination and infinite loop respectively, both terminating abnormally. We have to find what is the action for foo and bar. First we'll check for foo of 3. When it is entering into the function, that val of formal parameter is assigned with 3 and x is 0. And here there is a while statement. In the while statement, while val greater than 0, what is a val? 3. Now 3 greater than 0 is true, so that it is executing the function called x equal to x plus foo of val minus minus. It is executing the statement x equal to x plus foo of val minus minus. Means it is going to call the foo function again with val minus minus. What is a val? Val is 3. Now it is storing that val 3 here, and val is going to be decremented after the function call. Means after the function call, this 3 is going to be changes to 2. Now observe friends, whenever a function call is made, it is going to create an activation record for that function call. So here you observe, whenever it enter into the function call foo, so it is creating one function call, it is going to create one activation record for main, because assuming the main is calling the foo function. Now this foo function again in turn it is calling foo of val minus minus. It means it is going to create one more activation record for foo. Again val equal to 3, x equal to 0. Then in the while statement we have a statement x equal to x plus foo of val minus minus. Because it is a post decrement operator, first val, that is 3, is used for the function call, so that it is called with val equal to 3. Later the val in the previous activation record is to be changes to 2. Because it is called for one more time, again one more time it is going to create one activation record in the stack memory of the runtime memory. So that what is going to happen, this is going to be repeated for infinite number of times. Each time it calls a foo function, it is going to create one activation record for foo, right? So that what is going to happen, the stack at some point it is going to be increased, and at some point the stack is going to be full. Whenever the stack becomes full, it stops the execution of the program. That is what we call abnormal termination of the program. So means that foo of 3 makes the program to be terminated abnormally. We call abnormal termination of the program. That is for foo of 3. Now what is foo of 3 returning? Abnormal termination. Next we'll see what is bar of 3. Now when you call bar of 3, it is entering into the bar function, so that formal parameter val is initialized with 3 and x equal to 0. Then here while statement, while val greater than 0 means what is a val? 3 greater than 0 true. Then it is going to call, then it is going to execute the statement x equal to x plus bar of val minus 1. What is val minus 1? 3 minus 1 is 2. So means it is going to call bar of 2. What is bar of 2? This bar of 2, val equal to 2 and x equal to 0. But observe friends, here this is there in the while statement. This is there in this statement x equal to x plus bar of val minus 1 is there in the while statement. and while statement is going to be repeatedly executed. Okay, for next time, because for one time assuming this is completed, then next time again what is the while condition? Val is 3, because val is 3, again it is going to execute the statement x equal to x plus bar of val minus 1, that is 2. This is going to be executed. After execution of this, again it is returning to the while loop. In the while loop, again the condition is val greater than 0. What is the current val? That is 3. 3 greater than 0 is true. Because it is true, it is going to execute the statement for one more time, x equal to x plus bar of 2 val minus 1, and going to continue. Now observe friends, because as soon as it is calling the bar of 2 function, in the stack memory it is going to create one activation record. After it is returning from bar 2, then one activation record is popped off, because while loop is repeating for infinite number of times. Why? Because val variable is not going to be decremented. Just here it is calling a bar function by decrementing val by 1. So means val minus 1 is performing, but actual value of val is not decremented. So that val is 3 always. So this while loop is going to be repeated for infinite number of times. For each of the time the while loop is executing this statement, it is pushing one activation record. On return, it is going to pop one activation record. Again, whenever it calls, again it will push one activation record and then pop one activation record. So what is going to happen? In the same stack memory, one activation record is pushed. Again, it will be popped. Push and popped. Push and popped. So it is going to be continuously done. So in this case, friends, you tell me, is it possible to have the stack overflow? No. Why? Because only one activation record is pushing and popping repeatedly, so that it is making utilization of the same memory, but it never causes the stack to be overflowed. So this situation in the programming, we call it is going into infinite loop. It is going into infinite loop. Means what is happening with bar 3? The bar 3, with bar 3 it is happening infinite loop. Now what is the answer for the question? Option A, return 6 and 6 respectively, incorrect, because option A is abnormally terminated because of stack overflow occurs. Option B says infinite loop, but foo of 3 is not causing infinite loop, it is incorrect. Option C says abnormal termination, correct, and infinite loop, correct. So answer for this question is option C. But option D given both terminating abnormally, incorrect. Why? Because stack overflow is possible in the case of foo of 3, but not in the case of bar of 3. Suppose in the case of bar of 3 also, if stack is become overflow, then the option D could be true, but stack overflow not occurred in the case of bar 3. So it is only infinite loop. So answer for this question is option C. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you will get personalized notification. You are not going to miss any of my videos. Thank you.